Make all the surves smooth. The whole edge of the carver should be in contact with the surface of block.
A few moments later.
Draw markings on a block as shown according to the measurements. Make the cervical marking deep from proximal sides. Hold the carver as shown. Then start carving as shown till the marking we had done for making trapezoid. Do the same from the opposite side too, and the trapezoid is ready. Draw an oblique line from the middle of the middle third till the center of incisal edge. It's going to be the distal slope of the canine, so mark according to which canine you want to make, left or right. Then mark another oblique line from the junction of middle and incisal third to the center of incisal edge. Extend the vertical line on the occlusal surface. Now start carving as shown till the marking we had done. Use the sharp edge of the carver. Same from the opposite side according to the markings. After carving from both the sides, it will look something like this. From proximal sides, canine looks something like this. That's why we are going to carve from the labial and lingual sides, till we get the desired shape from the proximal sides. Use the blunt edge of the carver, hold it parallel to the proximal marking as shown at the point angle. Carve as shown and make a convex shape. You can see I am getting close to the marking. To make the labial ridge, carve the little bit of wax as shown. Carving at the cervical third to get the desired shape. Giving it a little bit of finishing as needed. Carving for the labial side is done. Let's do the lingual side now. Take the carver and hold its curved edge parallel to the concave shape of the marking as shown, and start carving out the wax. Keep carving until you reach the markings. Let's carve the cervical portion now. I am doing it the same way as I did for the labial side. I have got the basic desired shape. Let's make lingual convergence now. This is how you give it a lingual convergence, by removing wax from the proximal sides. By using another end of the carver, scoop out the mesial and distal fossae. Leave a little gap between two fossae that will be your lingual ridge. After a little bit of finishing, crown is ready. Make the marking of the root deep from all the sides. Now put the block down as shown and start cutting out the ridges. The carver will stop at the deepened area, that's why we deepened it at first place. You can do it by traditional method too, but this method consumes less time. After removing enough wax, start giving it the shape of the root. Keep rotating it while cutting. While carving the root, don't forget to give support of a finger from the opposite side. Just giving it some finishing touches. making it smooth by the blunt edge of the carver. Now I am going to give a distal tilt to the apex of the root. For that I am removing the wax from the apical portion from the distal side. I am using the curve edge of the carver to do it. After you finish it, remove the wax from the very apical portion of the mesial side. Now you can see the distal tilt. Now carve the developmental grooves on the mesial and distal side of the root. I am using the back side of the carver to do it. This is how it will look like. The permanent maxillary canine is ready.